Hello, Englishers. Welcome back to my channel. This is Ma'am Raya. For today's video lesson, we're going to have Media Information Literacy, Lesson 3, and it talks about types of media. Again, this is for my GAS 1 Escoda, GAS 2 Magbano, and GAS 3 Guerrero students. Okay, I hope you will study well. Okay, again, our discussion will have a mix of vernacular or Bisaya dialects. Okay, here we go. So this will be our discussion. We'll be introducing what media is, then that its types, and then the media and the culture, then the media convergence. So definitions, examples, and its importance. Okay, so types of media. So we have print media, broadcast media, film or cinema, video games, or what we also call digital games, and then the new media. So separate for the media convergence. So, okay, we'll have print media here. So we have new example or first example is newspaper. For the newspaper, it provides a vast amount to readers at very low cost. That's the reason why it was very common or very famous for the older generation. Okay, and it also features various types of advertisements. So long before, okay, newspaper has been the common or the famous um, source of information. Okay. So mao na siya nga kanang mangita ko og trabaho kay palit din ka og newspaper. Kinaaman nga to yung mga classified ads, naaman nga to ipang posts. Okay, different job hirings. Okay. And another one we have here, okay, examples of the newspapers we have in the Philippines. Ang uban ani kay localized na uban Bisaya. I think Bulgar is Bisaya. And also, naay mga English pud nga newspaper. Okay, just like Sunstar, Philippine Daily Inquirer. Okay, what else? Manila Standard. Okay, Manila Bulletin. Okay, they are English. Yes, the language that they use in the newspaper is English. So, so depende man gud sa ilahang audience kinsa may tigbasa nila or kinsa may tigpalitan ng newspaper. Okay. So this one, the Philippine print market before um, this photo or information probably is quite old, so it's not actually recent, the recent one. Okay. And another kind of or type example of a print media is magazines. Okay, it's categorized as either consumer related or business related. So duha ang klase sa magazines. The first one is the consumer magazines. Mo na siya ang mga glamour, lifestyles, entertainment, and special interests. Okay, kanang mga klase-klase nga hobby, especially nga mag-focus siya sa kanang sa golf or golfing, so scuba diving, so lain sad na siya nga magazines. Kaya i-feature po nila diha ang mga famous celebrities nga naay na nga special interests. Okay, or archery, may na nga style. For business magazines, okay, so na diha ang news, information, reviews, or bisan research pertinent to a specific industry. Okay, do we also consider catalog, okay, a magazine? Kailangan siya mga kung ano, o mga posts po. Okay, so these are some examples of the magazine. If ma-feature ka or ikaw ang cover page sa Osaka magazine, so it's a big deal na jud ako kay nang garbo sa imuha. Okay, so kung naka sa magazine. Um, One of the famous magazines I've known is Cosmopolitan. Okay, and there are also magazines for uh, boys or big boys. So, naana po yung mga magazines for fashion, okay, magazines for food. Nga na. So, another type of media we have is broadcast media. Okay, the first example is radio. Okay, utilizes sound communication via radio waves. It transmits music, news, and various programs from different broadcast stations. So, mo na famous na siya sa una. Okay. Mo ni ang mga klase-klase nga FM station. This one is for the FM station and this one is for the AM station. Okay. So, mo na ang mga kasagarang mga gipaminaw sa to ang mga lulog-lula. Okay. Or even sa atong mga papag mamagpapa. So ilang mga target audience nga na-reach ano mga panahon na kay nag-use lang sa transmission. Okay? So pag-transmit sa mga sa airwaves o gikan sa airwaves, so nag-transmit sila sa ilahang sound kay padulong sa ilahang mga listeners. So or sometimes gani voice recording kay ilahang medium of delivering the information. Okay, so auditory ilahang focus ani sa una. Okay, now let's proceed. Okay, high audience concentration in radio. Okay, so DZMM, very famous, very familiar. Then DZBB. So dili na kay ni familiar um, sa mga generation karon. Okay, another broadcast media example is the television, designed for viewing in a theater where audience is gathered for the performance. So before kay ang TV kay katupang murag dako ang loyo no, nya black and white pa jud siya. So it also functions as a talking picture magazine, broadcasting daily and also nightly. Okay, so depende gyapon siya sa signal nga gi-provide sa transmission. Okay, so from the audio kay yung katong sa radio, so nanay television makita na nanay mga motion picture nga gi-appeal pud nila. Okay, the broadcast media television are very common, okay, famous. So, kani sila nga mga logo, GMA, ABS-CBN, RPMN, TV5, so Studio 23, Music TV ni siya. Okay, mao ni siya ang YouTube sa una. Oh, wala pa man to YouTube sa una. So, Studio 23. If you want to listen to your favorite music, naa siya diha. Okay, high concentration in TV. So, kasagaran mga nananaw, katong naapay ABS-CBN. Wala pa nag-merge si GMA o si ABS-CBN. Another type of media we have is film or cinema. Okay, so pwede po siya theater. Okay, theater siya kung, I believe that's British English. Okay, cinema kung American. It consists of a sequence of still photographs on film and projected onto a screen. Uh, s- Same sa television, but bigger screen siya. O, bigger screen siya sa film niya. Gamit sa una kaya ang projector man to ang gigamit. O, actually, gigamitan gyud siya projector. So that's why the word here, projected. And we have here the father of Philippine cinema, who is Jose Nepomuceno. Okay. I think that was late 1980s or 1800s so far. Okay, so far as I remember, that was late 1800s when we had that for film or cinema. Mm. And then it was the reason probably nga nung nahimong father of Philippine cinema si Jose Nepomuceno at that time kay kasagaran siya man ang nag-release og katong mga salida atau ano niya mga sikat nga mga salida. So yahatanan. Okay. These are the very common film or cinema in this year, 2016. So, mga Tagalog. Okay, though English ang title. Okay, so Filipino original movies. Okay, so also this one. They are all Filipino movies. And another type of media, video games or the digital games. Okay, so very common sa una kay Call of Duty and I think even until now nagyapon kayo makitaan nga magduwa. Okay, o COD as commonly used COD. And then aside from ML, mao sa laha. Okay, and another one we have here is the new media. This is a term used to integrate the different technologies emerging on one digital platform to organize and distribute content. Mhm. So some examples of new media are podcasts, okay, video games, blogs, and the wikis. Mhm. So characteristics of the new media, I think they are also disseminated, okay, using the information for different receivers. Okay, for the different new media here, so we have what we call the digital media, and also we have the social media. For the digital media, they are interactive. It incorporates two-way communication, and it also involves some form of computing. Yeah, I think that also have the source of Excel. Okay, so these applications will give you an idea that you will be interacting or exchanging messages from one person to another. Okay, social media, these are the forms of electronic communication, okay, through which people create online communities to share information, ideas, or personal messages. And okay, so yeah, just like this one, okay, because of the new media, sometimes it has bad or good effect to people using it. So just like this couple over here, instead of looking at each other and then talking, so they keep on texting or chatting. We actually don't know if they are chatting each other or they are chatting different, okay, to other people. Mhm. So wala gani nila na tandog ilang pagkaon or wala sa nila nahuman, pero sige ra sila text. Okay, in the same way, look at this. Yes, people nowadays, no? So mag-video kaysa ilahang tabangan. Okay, they are more concerned of the views of how they will become famous when a lot of people will watch their video when they post it online, okay, rather than helping this person here. So mag video na lang, okay, lakaluoy ani niya oy. So mas luoy gid siya kay wala man nimo siya tabangi, imo siyang ipasikat through online. Kay mao man ang trend karon. Oh. So how the social media um, affects or uses your time. Okay. So, gikuha gyud tanan ni wasting your time perhaps. Okay. But others would say nga, Miss, nakatabang gani ang social media, especially Facebook. Eh. Sa mga, naay mga tao sa una nga, wala na mo nakikita, nga wala na mo na communicate. But pag search na mo sa ilang name, through Facebook, nakakita namin nila, naka-chat namin nila. So, naka-bond or naka-connect sila, reconnect, okay, with their um, missed family member. Mm. Okay, so we also have here media convergence. Okay, this one refers to the merging of different equipment and tools for producing and distributing news through digitization and computer networking. It also allows media text to be produced and distributed on multiple media devices. So, ang iyang when we say convergence man good, so ang pag-merge, no, okay, gi-meet sila in the middle, o nag-abot sila sa tunga. Okay, lanlain nga equipment, lanlain nga tools niya para ma-distribute ni siya sa lanlain nga klase nga computer or network. So, gi-distribute og maayo ang media para mas daghan ang maka-benefit, mas daghan ang makakita, mas daghan ang mga viewers. Mm. Okay, media convergence is also known as technological convergence. Okay, so technological convergence, ang pag-meet sa information using technology. Ang pag-merge sa um, con- yes, ang pag-merge sa communication using technology. Okay. The synergy of communication, computing, and content in the digital world. So media convergence. So dako siya tabang when we talk about, okay, sa pag-spread sa information. So mao na importante nga sa MIL, aware ta or kibaluta mo bana-bana. We have to be vigilant so that we will not be misinformed, especially kay lakay tungod daghan ang ni-share atong information mao na to'y sakto. Yung mao siguro niya kay abot man og 100 million views. So, mao ni siya ang idea sa media convergence. So, with the signal, with the transmission, with the waves used, pwede na nimo makitaan, pwede na nimo mahibaw-an ang information or communication kay with the different equipment. So, kani siya through laptop. Kaya naka-get siya po siya sa information. Kani siya kay through computer or desktop, and then kani siya kay through cellphone. Same ang information nga ilahang nadawat, but lain nga klase nga equipment ang ilahang gigamit. Mm. Okay, these three here kay gikan siya sa print media o gikan siya sa mga libro nya gi-evolve nila, gihimuan nila og movie o nga ma-upload sa Netflix, ma-upload sa YouTube para mas daghan ang makakita. Okay, kay dili man tanan nga tao karon nga generation kay hilig og basa. I think gamay na lang jud kayo no, sad to say. So mo pangitaan sa idea nga ma ma-introduce ni nga klase nga mga story kaysa mga bago nga generation. And they will love, they will appreciate the kind of story when they watch it rather than reading the story. So, naasay evolution ang media pod. Same here sa TV Patrol o sa 24 oras, nga sa TV lang ta sa una, karon kay ni evolve na pod sila, ni upgrade na pod sila into digital world. So mag-Facebook Live sila o sa ilang i-post sa ilang napas la YouTube, napas la Facebook. So they earn not just in on TV, but they also earn okay in this type of communication na. So mo na siya sa media conversion. See, kani sa Facebook man nag-live sila o live streaming. So daghan na sila ways nga maka-earn. Okay, tungod sa klase nga mga audience nga naa karon. Okay, just like this one from reading the news in a newspaper. So you can have it different ways. So in your tablet, in your cell phone, or even laptop. Okay, so mas daghan siya. Okay, Philippine Star. Okay, also in Facebook. DZMM before it was just on the radio. You can just listen this on the radio AM station. Amplitude. I forgot the M there. Amplitude modulation, okay, AM. But now, okay, pwede na ka mo tanaw nila sa using TV no or nanasad sila sa YouTube di ay makita na ka sa now sa imong paborito nga tigbalita o tigpamaba, okay, as they said. Okay, mag live streaming naman sila. So natara ang ato ang lesson for lesson 3 for the types of media for our MIL. So thank you for watching and study well. So see you in my next video lesson. Bye for now.